It's very important to remember that your website is not a website until you've published it. Publishing it turns it from a publisher file into an actual website. And the way you do it is really quite simple. You need to have the Web Tools toolbar, so go to View. If it's not showing, Toolbars, Web Tools. And I already have it up, so I'm not going to do anything. Now, before you actually publish, it's very, very important that you make sure that it's going to be organized in a way that allows you to link to your files properly. So you want to make sure to click Website Options. And it's especially important to do this when you're on a college computer because, of course, when they restart, the options change back to the default. And the important piece here is under Saving, where it says Organize Supporting Files in a Folder. Make sure that is not checked. If it is checked, it will set up your website in a way that makes your links not work. So make sure Organize Supporting Files in a Folder is not checked. And say OK. Then the very left button here is Publish to the Web, and all you need to do to publish it and turn it into a website is to click that button, and you'll get a dialog box that allows you to tell it where to save it. Make sure you do not change the file name. It must be called Index or it won't work on your Foxweb space. Double click to open the website files folder. If it's not open, you want to save the files inside the website files folder. That's what we created it for. So I'm going to then click, once I've opened that folder, I'm going to click Save. And you're going to get a little working button here that says Publishing HTML Files, and when it's done, that will disappear and you've published it. If you want to see your website, all you need to do is go to your website folder, open the website files folder. This will allow you to preview your site and test it. What you want to do is you want to find the file that's just called plain old index. Index is your front page, your home page. If you can't find it, you might want to change your view to details and sort by name. There are a lot of files that have the word index in them, but you want the one that's just called index. And if you double click it, it'll open in whatever browser is the one that is standard for your computer. And you should be able to click around and see the different websites. Your links, your bookmarks, whatever you have should work. The ones that you link to files should work. And if it's a PDF file, it will open inside the browser. It looks like this is loading in. I'm not going to actually give it the time to open because I don't want to have you wait to watch that, but it will open. If it's a different kind of file, like an Excel file or a PowerPoint file, then it will ask you if you want to download it. But you can check all of your different links, and everything should work properly the way that you've set it up to work. One warning, sometimes in Firefox, things end up on top of each other. If when you check your website, if it's in Firefox, that's true, don't worry about it. Simply put a little note on your front page saying best viewed in Internet Explorer, and make sure to open it in Internet Explorer from now on. So that's how you publish, and once you do that, you have a website sitting in your folder on your flash drive or your computer, wherever it is, and to allow other people to see it, all you need to do is upload it to Foxweb.